Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone hotspot has data and battery, and note the SSID and password. Next, enable the mobile hotspot and set the band to 2. 4 GHz if available, because many TVs handle 4 GHz more reliably. With the hotspot broadcasting, power on the LG Smart TV and open settings, then network. You are now ready to begin the TV side scan for available Wi-Fi networks. This gets the devices talk. Once done, you scan Wi-Fi networks on the LG TV and select your phone's SSID. That identifies the hotspot. Then you enter the password using the on-screen keyboard or use the LG ThinQ app as a remote to speed typing. Accurate entry matters because a single wrong character blocks connection. After submitting, wait for the TV to obtain an IP address. Make sure the network page shows connected and an IP. This completes the core connection process. You finish by testing streaming or an app update to confirm the TV actually uses the hotspot. If it fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then reboot both the phone and the TV and re-enter the password. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, check carrier tethering limits, data caps, and hotspot security features like access control or AP isolation, which can block TV traffic. Finally, consider switching band or using a portable router if the TV won't maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.